Scientists have long been intrigued by the moon's barely there atmosphere, known as an exosphere. Recent research by scientists at MIT and the University of Chicago has finally pinpointed the primary process responsible for creating and sustaining this delicate lunar atmosphere. Their findings, published in Science Advances, reveal the fascinating origins of the moon's exosphere. While the moon lacks breathable air, it does host a very thin layer of atoms bouncing over its surface, forming an exosphere. Since the 1980s, astronomers have observed this tenuous atmosphere, but understanding its formation has been challenging. The exosphere is a product of space weathering, but the exact processes involved have remained elusive until now. The study reveals that the moon's exosphere is primarily a result of impact vaporization. Over the moon's 4-5 billion year history, its surface has been continuously bombarded by meteorites, both large and small. These impacts vaporize certain atoms on contact, lofting particles into the air. Some atoms escape into space, while others remain suspended, forming the exosphere. In 2013, NASA launched the Lunar Atmosphere and Dust Environment Explorer, or LADEE, to gather detailed information about the moon's thin atmosphere. LADEE's mission aimed to determine the origins of the lunar atmosphere by remotely measuring soil and atmospheric composition. The data collected suggested that both impact vaporization and ion sputtering played roles in shaping the exosphere. To pinpoint the primary process, researchers analyzed lunar soil samples collected during NASA's Apollo missions. They focused on isolating two volatile elements, potassium and rubidium. These elements exist in various isotopes, and their ratios in the soil can reveal the dominant process contributing to the lunar atmosphere's formation. The team found that the lunar soils contain mostly heavy isotopes of potassium and rubidium. By comparing the ratios of light to heavy isotopes, they determined that impact vaporization was the dominant process. We give a definitive answer that meteorite impact vaporization is the dominant process that creates the lunar atmosphere, said Nicole Nee, the study's lead author. This discovery not only enhances our understanding of the moon's history, but also has implications for other moons and asteroids. The research underscores the importance of returning samples from planetary bodies to gain deeper insights into the solar system's formation and evolution.